Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, children, we were doing what? Advertisements, you remember? We had done situations vacant and situations wanted, right? Children,
Yes,
am I
ma'am.
audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Then no response at all. I was just wondering, am I audible also or not? How to apply for a job? We had discussed so many things. Now, please listen carefully, all of you. You have just done your master's degree from economics. Clear? You have done your master's degree in economics, that is MA Economics, from a good university. Select your own university, any good university. You are a fresher and you're looking for a job. What kind of advertisement will you draft? Listen for your qualifications again. You have just done your MA Economics. You do not have any experience as such. You are a fresher and you're looking for a job, okay, to work under a chartered accountant or something, or anything, any scope which you feel for a job you're looking for. So you have to draft an advertisement. Hurry up, children. So it will be situation available or vacant or wanted.
Wanted.
Situation wanted.
Wanted.
Please plan not more than 50 words. Let's write
Ma'am,
quickly.
we have to
Post on the
post.
book. Yes, we have to post. And then we'll start reading once. We had not done wanted. We just did a vacant once. So let's do one wanted.
Ma'am, please tell the details once.
You have done your MA in economics. You've just passed out. You've done your MA in economics. You do not have any experience. You're a fresher and you're looking for a job. Now you think multiracial company under a chartered. Okay, beta. Plan your advertisement. Everybody needs to write and post. Let me know when you're posting.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Devan.
मैम ऐसा भी कुछ सिचुएशन है कि मतलब हमें ये वाली जॉब चाहिए लाइक दिस.
Yes, you can. If you feel you deserve it, you can write.
मैम which type like exam?
Think you've done your MA in economics, you can work as what?
Accountant.
You can work, yes, something like this. Very good. I hope others are also doing.
Ma'am, I have posted.
Very good. Which group, beta?
Ma'am, PCB.
I'll check. Please read it out also so that your friends get an idea also. Read out loudly. Everybody, please listen also.
Situation wanted. A master's in economics seeks a job as an accountant in MNCs. Remuneration required is negotiable. Intending employers may contact me on my mobile number.
Have you written some mobile number 9431X something mentioned?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many words? How many words, beta?
Ma'am, wait, counting.
By the time she's counting, others speak.
Ma'am, 25.
Beta, it's a little less. Add on a little more for your qualification. Something additional that you have done some course in type, computer, or something which makes you more better than others. Okay? Hurry up.
Okay, ma'am.
Hurry up, beta. Only one child is posted till now.
Ma'am, posted on group.
Children not even writing. Hurry up.
Ma'am, posted on group.
Okay, I'm checking and you speak, Devansh. We need to listen. Everybody needs to listen what
Yes.
Devansh has.
Situation wanted a charter accountant with a MA in economics want to work as an MNC accountant with BCom in computer applications. Salary will be negotiable. Intending company can contact me. Contact 985XX. Email ID adv@gmail.com.
Excellent. Count how many words, Devansh?
Ma'am, about 25 to 30 words. Hello.
How many words?
Ma'am,
I could not
25
hear
to
you.
30 words.
Very less, very less. Add on something more to your qualification, which makes you different from others. A computer diploma or any specialization that you
Ma'am,
have done.
Ma'am, I have written BCom
But
in
you have to
computer
add on. You
application.
have to add on, Devansh. You need to have at least 45, 50 words. At least 45.
Okay.
Add on something else. You can talk about salary negotiable,
मैम
can
वो
work
भी लिख
anywhere
दिया.
in India, anywhere in India. कुछ भी add कर को. Please help your friend. Give him some more suggestions which he can add on to his qualification. Passed out what? Passed out from good schools and good universities throughout first division,
मैम
something like that.
एक्सक्यूज मी
Add that.
मैम मैम यहाँ पे भी लिखा है मैम
Speak in English,
25
Devansh.
30
Speak in English. It's an English
में.
class.
Yes ma'am, in the
Hmm.
third question it is also that 25 to 30 words are there only in situation wanted.
Hey, bacha. No, because
Ma'am, in
when we
third
write
you
25 to 30 words, prepositions and conjunctions as it is, they will not be included. It becomes very less. Add on something like you can mention about your good school. The schooling is from good schools and good colleges. And you can talk about first division throughout your school, college. You can also talk about NCC, cadet. Okay. Anything special which you can think about yourself. Or you can talk about ready to work anywhere in India, shift anywhere in India, something like this. You'll have to add on, bacha. You'll have to increase the words a little. 25 to 30 words is less. I told her also to add on a little.
Ma'am, shall I read mine?
Yes, beta. Have you posted on the group? Because I'll be reading on the group side by side.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji, tell me. Posted?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, then read it out.
Situation wanted MCom from Christ University, Bangalore. Attractive physique and a smart personality. Remuneration is negotiable. Wants a job as a tax advisor. No experience but passionate for the job and will give 100% to the company. Interested employees may contact on one. Word limit is
Very
this.
Word limit is?
35, 30 to 33.
No, beta. You also increase a little. Add about your school that schooling from prestigious schools throughout first division, diploma in CCC computer application. Hurry up, beta. Add on a
But then I wanted to know each word cost.
yes, bache, but if you will not write about your specialty, who will hire you?
Yes.
You will simply say that I'm an MCom. There are many people who are MCom, beta. Make yourself a little special. Supposing 6 people are applying. So immediately, if I have to hire you, what will I do? I look for the best one. I'm getting something additional. Children, very disappointing. You, because you have to write in this class, you don't want to write. I understand when you are at home, nobody wants to write. Everything oral is okay, but here oral will not work out, bacha. Is someone doing any modification or posting or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, just a minute, I'm posting.
Okay, beta. Hurry up and let me know once you post in which group. I'll forward it to other groups.
I'm doing changes.
Very good.
Ma'am, posted on PCB group.
Okay, beta, I'm forwarding it to other groups, but you read it out for your friends as well. So that they get
Situation
idea.
wanted. Yes, ma'am. Situation wanted. A well-qualified fresher looking for a job in a MNC as an accountant. Qualifications: MA from ABC University, fluency in English and Hindi, diploma in computer course. Salary is negotiable. Intending employers can contact me on email abc123@gmail.com or on my phone number.
Very good. The best part about Sony is that she's so regular and very sincere. Believe me, it's certainly going to help you, Sony, a lot. Very, very good. See, intending people, intending employers, she has used those words also. What? How many words, Sony?
Ma'am, just a minute, let me.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask something.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, shall we use or have a?
What, beta? Just read out the sentence.
Ma'am, suppose we want to like has a command over English. So ma'am, has a command, have a command.
See, because we're talking about a singular person, so has. Ram has a good command. And when we talk about plural, we'll say they have a good command. Okay, for plural, we're going to use have. For singular, we use has. Only for I, we use have. I have a good command. I, singulars, he, she, it, Ram, Mohan, everybody has. And plural, we, they, it's all have.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it's around 40 words.
Fine, you've given details. Good.
Ma'am, instead of one job, can we write many jobs?
You can give options what you can work on.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
But think that the field should be the same. Like you're a commerce graduate. So job should not be like I want to work as a doctor or something.
Ma'am, I have also posted the modified one. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, speak out.
Ma'am, I have also posted the modified one.
Okay, beta, let me go through it. Just 1 second. Very good, very good. Excellent. This see how nicely she has written. She's done the modifications as well. Very good, Bachi. Those were sincere. Little bit feedback also you follow. It's really going to help you, beta. Very nice. Is there anyone else who is posting?
Ma'am, posted.
Anyone posting? Let me know.
Ma'am, posted. Just
Which group, beta?
commerce.
Commerce. Okay, let me go through it. Please read out loudly for your friends.
Situation wanted MCOM from Saint Xavier's College, Mumbai, BCom from Narsimhaji, Mumbai, have optional as maths, has a command over English, has done a course of personality development, has a built-in leadership quality, wants a job as a financial advisor, insurance advisor, as a or as a loan advisor. No experience, but will give my 100% towards the company and will always remain passionate about my job. Interested employers may contact at my mobile number 90586.
Wow, I will certainly hire you. He's saying that he's passionate, though he does not have experience, but financial advising also he's good at. He's made his part very different from others. Okay? He has a passion for his work. Excellent, Bache. Excellent. Very, very well planned and nicely written. Very good. See, you're getting so many good ideas. Anyone else is left? Very good commerce student. Very nice. Anybody else who's passionate about writing an advertisement like this commerce student? Nobody is passionate about writing advertisements.
हेलो
Yes, Devansh.
मैम, मैं थोड़ा डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था, आपने उसके बाद कुछ करवाया क्या?
Speak in English, Devansh. You're not supposed to speak in Hindi in the English period.
मैम,
This is
I was disconnected. Please tell that you have done some work in class or not.
very good. Very good. This shows that you can speak English so nicely. So always keep speaking. You'll become more confident and more fluent. You're very good. The best part about you is that you're very hardworking, Devansh. That is one thing I admire. Very good. So always speak English. Nahi, bacha, we are just listening to what others have written. We hardly
Okay.
have 1 minute for the class to get over. We cannot take up something new. Very nice. Keep working hard like this only and you'll do wonders. And what about your maths class and all? How are things going on? How many
Ma'am,
students are
fine.
there?
Ma'am,
How many
8 or 9.
PCM? PCM students are like this only. They're not coming for classes also. Physics, chemistry also the number is same.
Ma'am, chemistry was good, but
Ma'am, in
in
chemistry it is more.
Taking things very lightly, huh? Most of the students taking it very lightly. While this other section, PCB is so like even less than the PCM. If you see 8, 9 students are coming for physics, I'm sure the number must be less for this side. Yes, PCB children, how many coming for physics? In general, if you talk about the class,
Maximum 9 or 10.
this is the figure which is there in all the classes. That day I was going through the attendance of almost all sections, all periods. I saw the same thing. But don't worry, children. Don't feel that you are the ones who are coming regularly or you'll have a problem. You'll be the one who will be at benefit. So don't worry. Hardly any time left for the class, 30 seconds. If you post it, you can leave the meeting. No issues with that. God bless you all.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
ma'am.
God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am, can we join the maybe join the next meeting?
Yes, beta, I told you there are only 10 seconds left. You can join the other class, bache. Sure, beta. Sure, beta.